When people think about making money on YouTube, most people think that they have to have millions of views or hundreds or millions of subscribers on their YouTube channel. Thankfully, there are several different ways to make money with YouTube, and some of these methods to making money with YouTube do not require you to have a large channel or a large following and to have millions of views for a video. And one of these methods is affiliate marketing. So that's what this course is about, is how to make money with affiliate marketing through YouTube. I'm going to tell you why to use YouTube for affiliate marketing. I'm going to cover all the affiliate programs, or at least most of the affiliate programs that I know of that you can use to start affiliate marketing with. And I'm also going to give tips on working with Amazon, because working with Amazon can be a little bit tricky. So I'm going to have a video talking about how to work with Amazon. And since Amazon is one of the most popular affiliate programs out there. But I'm not just going to teach you how to promote physical products. I'm also going to talk about promoting digital products on YouTube. I'm going to be talking about affiliate disclosure, just for you to be safe and to avoid getting into trouble. I'm also going to be talking about how to build a list with YouTube, and I'm also going to show you how to get more clicks on your videos. Now, why should you use YouTube to promote affiliate products? There are many other ways to promote affiliate products, such as building a list or creating review sites. Well, the thing I like about YouTube is that it's free traffic, and you have an audience of millions and millions of people that you could reach out to. I mean, imagine if your video becomes a featured video, or if it goes viral. So there's a lot of potential as well for putting your videos on YouTube and promoting affiliate products on there. Okay, so it's great for anybody that's starting out, who don't have money to invest, or who don't have a current list of subscribers or audience to market to. And even if you do get a small amount of views or a small amount of subscribers on your channel, you could still make good profits. I'm not guaranteeing it, but I have seen it with other people who start out and within a few months they're already generating handsome profits, even with small views. Because as you know, there's this misconception out there that in order for you to make a lot of money on YouTube, you have to have millions of views and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And that is true in some ways, but you know, there are many ways to profit from YouTube, and many of these ways don't require you to have a large audience. Okay, so that's another great thing about YouTube, is that there are many other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. And in the following videos, we're going to be focusing on one of them, which is affiliate marketing. Promoting products on YouTube should be straightforward. You just have to be yourself. Okay, so if it's a physical product, make sure you've already tried the product and try to show it in the video. And try to mention as many things as you can that you like about the product, and mention one or two things that you dislike about it, or a couple weaknesses, because if you mention those things, your review will be more believable, and viewers will like you more for pointing out any weaknesses of the product. Overall though, your video should be a good review of the product, and if you can, try to turn the product's weaknesses into strengths. So for example, if you are giving a review of a camera, and let's say one of the things you don't like about it is that it's too small, you could say, well, at least it's easy to bring this camera around with you, and it could fit in your backpack. Working with Amazon can be a little tricky, so I've made this quick video just to give you a heads up and so that there are no surprises coming your way. Now, when you're applying for an affiliate account with Amazon, they will check to make sure that you're a real person. So they're going to go to your website or a blog. If you don't have a website or a blog, there are free tools online to make those. Okay. Another thing is, I know it's common sense, but you have to read their rules. A lot of people do not read their rules because, frankly, a lot of people just don't have time, or they do not think that it's that important to read the rules. Okay, they have several rules, a lot of them that may surprise you. So, for example, you can't just use any link shorteners such as Bitly in order to shorten your affiliate links. You have to use the one that's provided by Amazon. Okay. Another thing is you cannot put affiliate links in emails or PDFs. And you have to use the buy now buttons that are provided for by Amazon. You can't just go on Google Images and look for any Amazon buy now buttons. Okay, and there are several other rules that may surprise you. So make sure you read the rules first to prevent your affiliate account from getting closed down. So where do you find affiliate products to promote? In this video, I'm going to quickly go through some affiliate networks that you can use to find affiliate products. The first one I'm going to show you here is Amazon, which I'm sure you're already familiar with. It's probably the most popular affiliate network out there for anyone looking to promote affiliate physical products. And the great thing about Amazon and of course other affiliate networks is that you don't get paid commissions for just the products that you promote. So if you or if somebody clicked on your link to go purchase a camera, a $500 camera that you're advertising, let's say they purchased that, but then let's say a day later they go back to Amazon and they purchase another product. Well, because of the way their cookies work, you're going to get paid commissions on that other product as well. Basically, you're going to get paid for other products that customer purchases after going through your link. So even if it's a totally unrelated product, if it's within a certain time period, you'll still get paid commissions on all the other products that they purchase. Here's another great affiliate network. It's called ShareASale, and a lot of popular brands are on here. Okay, and here is Rakuten Marketing, formerly called Linkshare, and again, a lot of popular brands are on here. And let me just scroll down here. You can take a look at some of the brands that you can promote, such as Walmart. You can promote products from Walmart by signing up as an affiliate at Rakuten Marketing. Okay, there's also Sephora. Let's see what else. Ray-Ban, and the list goes on. Here is another popular affiliate network, CJ, formerly called Commission Junction, and you'll find some good brands on here. And here is Impact Radius, where you'll find some popular brands such as Pet 360. And if there's a particular product that you want to promote but you can't find that, or you can't find their affiliate program on any of these networks, you can just go to Google and just type in the product or the company name and just type in affiliate program, and most likely you'll find an affiliate program for that product or the company. Now, if you want to focus on promoting digital products and courses, such as courses on how to lose weight or how to make money online, you could go to ClickBank. They have digital products on there that you can promote in a variety of different niches. A great affiliate network for internet marketing related products is jvzoo.com, and they do pay instant commissions through PayPal. Another great network for digital products in the internet marketing niche is Warrior Plus, and again, they also pay instant commissions through PayPal.